What is going on YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Random. And if you're into everyday affordable RC car reviews, make sure to subscribe to my new RC and toy review channel. It's called Mr. Random's Toy Reviews. From now on, any and all new RC and toy related videos will be posted there, along with re-uploads of some of my old school RC review videos. This will be my last RC review video on this channel, so make sure you subscribe to Mr. Random's Toy Reviews to keep up with my latest videos. And now, I'd like to present you guys with the ultimate RC unboxing experience. If you're a kid on Christmas or your birthday, this box checks off all the lists. As always, if you guys are interested in what you see today, make sure to check the link in the video description. As you guys will soon see, included in this box is not one, not two, not even three, but 4 remote controlled experiences. You have RCs that can be driven inside the house without the worry of damaging floors or breaking furniture, to RCs that can even drive on water, to battle RCs that more than one person can play with. It's all neatly packaged inside this box. All you have to do is wrap it in some gift wrap or not, because you'll soon see just how unboxing the box itself is a fun experience. As you can see, the Spin Master RC box has something for everyone, from off-road water driving shark trucks to battling ninja warriors to the legendary Beast RC truck. We'll start with one of my favorite RCs that come in the Spin Master RC box, the Monster Jam Megalodon Storm Truck. The Megalodon Storm Truck featured here comes with a 2.4 GHz controller that has a range of up to 100 feet. It comes with a built-in USB charger so you can take it with you anywhere. Speaking of anywhere, the Megalodon Storm can go just about anywhere, from gravel to dirt and yes, water. That's right, you heard me, water. This RC truck puts a spin on the phrase fish out of water. Next up, we have the Airhogs Stunt Shot Monster Truck. With its state-of-the-art super soft wheels, this little monster truck is the ideal RC for indoor play. With super soft foam wheels that can drive over anything indoors without causing damage, the Stunt Shot super soft foam wheels make it different from any other RC you've ever seen. It drives on and over anything with ease and won't wreck walls, furniture, or even scratch your floors. Its foam tires make RCing indoors an absolute blast. The Stunt Shot also works on outside surfaces, as you guys can see. Next up is the NinjaBots Battling RC Robots. This set includes 2 NinjaBots, Red Dragon and Black Tiger. Each NinjaBot has its own personality, and did I mention they each come with its own set of weapons and over 100 sounds and movements. Before battle, all you gotta do is just arm each NinjaBot, choose from 6 weapons. These include a boot on a rope, spatula, hammer, and more. With weapon recognition, they respond with funny sounds and phrases when armed or disarmed. Then, the only thing left to do is let the battle begin. And I saved the best for last. The RC truck, simply known as the Animal. The RC truck that literally unboxes itself. The Animal is a powerful interactive truck that breaks out of its own package. The ultimate unboxing experience begins when you tear off the outer layer of the package and pull the tab to reveal the key. All you have to do is yell as loud as you can and knock on the crate to make it shake and hear the animal growl and roar. At this point, it's up to you to make the animal angry enough to claw its way out of the crate. You can even repeat the unboxing experience over and over again. Keep knocking on it, Clark. Hey, you keep knocking on it. I'm here. Yell in there, Clark.
Hey!
And then you gotta knock here. The animal even comes with its own tow hook and strap, and with its incredible torque, it becomes a perfect recovery vehicle to get you out of any situation. So, as you guys can see, the Spin Master RC box makes a perfect gift for any young RC enthusiast. So make sure to check out the Spin Master RC box in the video description, and I'll see you guys on my new RC channel, Mr. Random's Toy Reviews. Take it easy.